sa pagkanta. Eto na, Jeffrey Hidalgo at kapamilya, Roll VTR!
People want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby.
Hello, madlang people! Ako po si Jeffrey Hidalgo. Mula po ako sa Smoky Mountain noon. Doon po ako nagsimula. Pero aside po from being a singer, isa din po akong chemical engineer, isang businessman, at saka isa na din po akong director ngayon. Isa po kaming very musical family. Sa katunayan na isa pa po akong kapatid na singer, si Arnie Hidalgo.
Hello, madlang people! I am a mother of two cute boys. Of course, I am a hands-on mom. Kapag ka mga weekend na wala kaming ginagawa, we bond through watching DVDs. At syempre, with my family, with my mom na video kay Queen, yan, mahilig kaming kumanta. Yan.
Namana po namin ang aming galing sa pagkanta sa aming nanay.
Very proud ako talaga sa mga anak ko. Ayun o, si Arnie tsaka si Jeffrey, sila yung pride and joy ko.
Excited ako kasi nga, I guess ito yung first time na makikita ng madlang people yung talent namin as a Hidalgo family. First time namin gagawin to.
Dito ko sa amin na mag-perform, of course, I'm gonna be with Kuya. And we have also two other brothers. And syempre, yung mama namin. And ito ang launching ng aking two boys eh.
Ang message ko lang pala, para sa mga makakalaban ng Hidalgo family,
Maghanda na kayo.
manginig na kayo ngayon.
Dahil naghahanda rin kami.
Ako po si Jeffrey Hidalgo at ito po ang Hidalgo family. It's showtime!
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't you wake up to cover up. Being the way that you are isn't enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you.
Baby, you light up my world like no warrior. So ready to flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile, that's the brown leaving hard to tell. You don't know, oh, you don't know you're beautiful. Oh, that's what makes you beautiful.
There are times I find it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute, another soul is gone. I believe that in my life I will someday see the end to hopelessness of giving up. So if we ever stand together just one time, and no one will be left behind. Stand up, stand up, and hear me say, stand up.
You'll be there when I need somebody. You'll be there.
Only one can help me.
Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run. Gotta
sa bucket list,
Napakahawak yung mga
no?
anak nito.
Jeffrey, may message ka ba sa kapamilya mo? Siyempre, medyo mahirap mag-convince kasi.
Correct.
Pero anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya na talagang game na game silang lahat dito?
Hindi, sobrang proud ako sa kanila kasi ang professional lang dito kami ni Arlie.
Oo nga,
At saka
napumayag
si Sandy
mo
din.
mag-back up kay mami,
Oo,
di ba?
yeah, at si Sandy. The rest po mga hindi talaga nagpa-perform. First time nila mag-perform and I'm very proud of them.
Galing nga.
Talaga,
Oo, natural.
grabe yung practice namin. Saturday, Sunday, nagpa-practice yung mga yan, walang tigil. Yeah, yun.
Singers sa family.
Frustrated
Pero
singer.
frustrated no longer.
Ito po, frustrated singer ng Showtime.
Nice to meet you po, nanay. Pero hayaan niyo po kasi na sobrang charming po ng buong pamilya ninyo. Congratulations sa inyong performance ngayon. Tingnan natin kung nagustuhan ba ng ating Madam People. Kuya Ken, pasok!
So, nagustuhan kaya ng ating Madam People, tingnan po tayo Madam People. Silipin po natin ang damit po ni Andre. Si Andre po ay pamangkin ni Jeffrey. Ito po ay kulay orange. Ang orange ay galing sa Sanskrit word na narang. Na ibig sabihin po niyan ay yung prutas. Sa narang din po galing ang salitang naranja. Ang Spanish po for orange. Orange narang. Madam People!